Digital multimeter (DMM) is an electronic measuring instrument used to measure multiple electrical quantities, including voltage, current, resistance, and often additional features like capacitance, frequency, temperature, and continuity. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So let's find out. Number 5. The ZOYI's ET703S and ZT702S are handheld digital oscilloscope multimeters with transistor testing capabilities. Here's a breakdown of their key features. Bandwidth, 50 MHz ZT703S, 30 MHz ZT702S. Sampling rate, 280 millions per second, megasamples per second. Waveform storage, supports saving and recalling waveforms. Display, 3.5-inch color LCD resolution varies by model. Multimeter functions, voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, diode, continuity, and transistor testing HFE. Oscilloscope input, 1-channel single channel. Number 4. The ZOYI digital multimeters like the ZT98, ZT100, ZT101, and ZT102 are versatile tools for measuring electrical parameters such as voltage, current, resistance, frequency, and diode testing. Many models also feature a backlight for better visibility in low light conditions. Voltage measurement, AC, DC voltage with a wide range. Current measurement, AC, DC current. Some models support high current with clamp attachments. Resistance and continuity measures resistance and includes a continuity buzzer. Frequency and duty cycle measures signal frequency hertz and duty cycle percent. Diode and transistor test checks forward voltage drop of diodes and transistor gains. Backlight display improves readability in dark environments. Number 3. The UNI-T UT61B+, UT61E+, and UT61D are professional digital multimeters. DM is from UNI-T, a well-known manufacturer of test and measurement equipment. These models are part of the UT61 series, offering true RMS measurement, auto-ranging, and a 6,000 count display. Below is a breakdown of their key features and differences. True RMS accurately measures AC voltage current for non-sinusoidal waveforms. 6,000 count display provides precise readings up to 5,999. Auto-ranging automatically selects the correct measurement range. Safety rating, Cat 3 1000 volts, Cat for 600 volts, good for industrial and electrical applications. Backlit LCD improves visibility in low light conditions. Number 2. The FNIRSI S1 is a 9,999 count digital multimeter DMM designed for a variety of electrical and electronic measurements. Here's a breakdown of its key features and functions. 9,999 count display provides high-resolution readings up to 9,999 on the digital screen. AC, DC voltage measurement measures both alternating current AC and direct current DC voltage. Resistance measurement tests resistance in ohms omega. Capacitance measurement measures capacitor values in farads. Diode test checks diode forward voltage drop. NCV non-contact voltage detection detects live wires without direct contact. Number 1. The UNI-T series of digital multimeters DMMs includes several professional models designed for electrical testing, troubleshooting, and measurement. Below is a breakdown of the key features and differences among the models you mentioned. Category: mid-range professional multimeters. UT890C, basic model with 6,000 counts, true RMS, NCV non-contact voltage, capacitance, frequency, temperature. UT890D+, improved version with backlit LCD, higher safety Cat 3 1000 volts, and additional features like low-pass filter LPF for accurate motor drive measurements. Common functions: AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, diode, continuity, frequency, duty cycle.